Hello, I am Mohammed SHAMRAT MIAH. In this time, I am now going to teach you how to remove our background image or background anything from our any simple format pictures. So in this case, I am using now very update recently released Adobe Photoshop 2021. So I have this software 2021. So going to using this Photoshop for will teach you how to remove a background. But in this time, I will be use some new techniques what you will be very easily find from this Photoshop 2021. So I'm not going to waste my valuable times. I'm eagerly waiting to teach you now. So please open this Photoshop 2021. And for this, I have to be wait few seconds for properly open this starter page from Photoshop 2021. For remove a background, we have a lot of way that from there we can easily remove our background image by but from the Photoshop we can use some very special and alternative very new alternative way and artificial intelligence way to for remove our background image, and that will be very easy. I will be show you now. Okay, so in this time I get this page, and now I have to be um, create a artboard. So I have to be click on PS logo. So this is my starter page. Here is the toolbox, and here I have some options, very important options where I will work using this kind of the option. Here is the layers, channels, and paths, and this is the menu bar. And here is we are seeing that some of options are here. So the first time I have to be create a artboard, and the site we can make any kind of a site. Here I'm clicking uh, new new, and from here I can change my width and height, site, landscapes or horizontal what we are wish to use. But I'm now not going to be create a new artboard, so I directly open an image. From here, mm, from my desktops, I am using a folder for use my some pictures. Okay. Mm, for the first time use, I am going to use my own pictures for remove how to make a pictures here. So this is my pictures, and we can zoom in, zoom out by different way. Here is our zoom in and zoom out options. We can easily, here is the minus symbol. We can easily zoom out, and by press Alt. Here's the plus symbol. We can make our pictures zoom in, and otherwise we can also control it by hold the alter options and scroll down. It will be the zoom in and zoom out, and scroll up. It will be the zoom in. So Guys, you are seeing that behind my pictures there is a blue themes behind my object, my pictures. So I am going to remove this uh, blue side. So how can I use that with my new way? So what's the new we will migrate from this 2021 version of Photoshop. So just click on duplicate layer, because we are not going to use the original layer. So from here I have to be select from the menu bar the select options, select menu, and I have to be click the select the mask options. We can also click it, select it, Ctrl Alt and press R also. So here is our onion skins. We can also change our view. We can also change our view, but at the first time properly, I will be suggest everyone that we have to be use onion skin. It will be better. So now we are going to the main points. That here is some options. When you will be select the selected mask options, we get these options, and this is a the refine edge brush tool. This is a brush tool, the object selection tools, the lasso tools. It's a hand options, hand tool, where we can move our pictures right to left, left to right, or anywhere what we want to wish. And this is a zoom in, zoom out. You have already know about it. So at the first in this time, I will use this option, quick selection tools, and a little bit size I can change. Here is the plus and minus. Okay, so what will be the plus and minus works, I will be tell you the later. But in the first times, this quick selection tools, this is a kind of a brush and the size is 10. I will select like now. Okay, I'm not going to select any more time in this time. And what I select here from my objects, I will be I will be click the select subject options from here. So I click here. This will just get your current selection. Do you want to continue? Yes. And just wait a little bit. Okay, so guys, you are now seeing that all my blue background is has already vanished, and behind my object this is looks like a transparent. There is a nothing, and only without my shapes there is a nothing behind my objects, my pictures, object pictures. So this type of artificial intelligence, you can select a little bit object scenario from your main objects, and when you select when you click the select subjects options, it means that your main object will be selected automatically with artificial intelligence way, and after that the non-objective scenario will be vanished automatically. So that's why it will be the transparent. So this is a way of select for remove a background. So if you now want to save, then you will be see that the background is vanished. But here is some topic we have to be discussed, that when you use the selector mask options from the select menu bar, that time we have uh, some options. We will get some options: smooth, feather, contrast, and shift height. So this is very important options. So what is the smooth options? If I select black and white view, just look vacant white loop, so what it will be with us if we please, yes, I just zoom in a little bit more for better view. If I give a smooth a little bit more, what it will be? The edge of this object will be smooth very much. You see? Please focus very concentratedly. It will be smooth very much. Okay? It will be smooth, going to be smooth. A little bit smooth. I will be little bit smooth on my shape. Okay? Okay, smooth. Okay, very good. And if you want to sharp your edge of with your objective image, then you can increase your contrast options. It's a little bit. It's going to sharp. Is the sharp? It's the perfect. It's the sharp. It's the very much sharp. I don't need it. Just my smooth is 11 and my sharp will be also 11. Okay. And if in a feather, it will be going to be like as a blur. You don't need to blur something like this. When I need, I will be do that. It depends on your mind that what you actually want to do now. Okay. And the shift edge is means that if you want to shift your subjective image edge right or left, you can shift your pixels right or shift from here like this, like this. Okay, just focus. I'm trying to. Okay, zoom in again. Just looks these pixels. It's shifting right. Okay, when I am going to be minus, it will be shifting left. It's going to shifting left. It's going to shifting left. So no need to now have to do anything I don't want to do. Okay. Okay, it's a bit better that from the manual of way I will be right here 0. So then again, I'm going to my view mode on your skin. Yeah, it will be perfect. Yeah, it is now perfect. So in this time, uh, here is some radius. No, okay. Upper will be select a layer mask. Okay, and click OK. Yes. Oh, I sorry. Somehow the gradient mode is come. Yeah. So that's our work. And in this time, if I need to, work my selector mask again, so I should I can select also from here selector mask, or otherwise I can also select here. This is the black one. I should to be click here once, and now I will able to see the selector mask options. Here is my selected mask options. I can click here. Once if I use my smooth feather and contrast and shift edge, the next time I will not able to be find those options again. So I can smooth feather, contrast and shift edge again after my first time, but the secondly I cannot get the same percentage, same values my second times from my first times. So it's also okay. It's good. And in this time, I have already shown you that how can we remove our background image. But if we want to select a objective image from multiple objective image, so how can we do that? So for this kind of teaching, I'm not going to use double pictures, two main pictures. So here's mine. Okay, fantastic. I got my image. Need to be a layer from background. We cannot work on our locked original layer. I am going to be duplicate this layer. Okay, so for this work, again, Control Alt R. We can also use this shortcut, Control Alt R, and select this. But in this time, we have to use something new. That will be Object Selection Tool. Yes, and confirm to select this lasso tool and select like this. I'm going to select only these pictures. And now I'll select the, oh, it's automatically come out. The result is automatically come out. So from this way we can easily get our subject image from multiple uh, images. So if I select OK, you see the other pictures is already has already vanished. So in this way we can select our pictures by using our artificial intelligence way. So this is also a way. And here is another I'm now going to show you another things, and that will be how can we change our background, how can we fit our background, how can we replace our background. So by the different ways we can do that, but in the first step we can also do it very easily. Here is the shortcut way. So select again, select a mask. Here's a lasso and select object tool. No problem. Just select that things. Okay. Just select that things. And if you want to uh, refine, smooth your hair, you can also use uh, you can also use the refine edge. You can also use the refine edge brush tools. Just select and check your side hardness and spacing, and just brush everywhere for smooth your edge. And if you want to repair only your hair, then you should click here, and the artificial intelligence will be automatically smooth your hair. If I zoom in, we'll able to show it. Yes, you see this, that's the hair the artificial intelligence is giving you. It is not perfectly, but it's try to give you the best what it can be do for you. Okay, if we want replace this background, How can you do that? No, click this layer. Okay, and go to the file, place embedded images, and select pictures of JPG format. But it's not behind, so I have to take it here. Ctrl T for transparent. Okay, okay, and okay. This is a way we can change our, we can fit a new background image behind our objective subjective image. Like this, we can do it very easily with this place embedded. Thank you very much for seeing this video, and like and comment please. Thank you.